Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
What time do you wake up every day?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I usually go for a jog for 20 minutes.
What do you have for breakfast?
I usually have eggs, toast, and coffee.
When do you leave for work?
I leave at 8:30 a.m.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus.
What time do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 12:30 p.m.
What do you usually do after work?
I like to relax and watch TV or read a book.
Do you walk to school?
No, I ride my bike.
What do you usually do at work?
I work on the computer.
What do you do on weekends?
I usually relax or go shopping.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love trying new recipes.
Do you do the laundry every day?
No, I do it once a week.
What do you do when you feel tired?
I drink water and rest.
What's your favorite snack?
I love fruit.
Do you prefer working from home or the office?
I prefer working from home.
What do you do before bedtime?
I brush my teeth and read a book.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
Do you clean your house every day?
I clean a little every day.
Do you iron your clothes?
Yes, before work.
Do you water your plants?
Yes, every morning.
Do you eat out often?
No, I cook at home.
Do you spend time with friends on weekends?
Yes, we hang out on Saturdays.
What's your favorite time of the day?
I love the evening.
Do you prefer hot or cold drinks?
I prefer cold drinks.
Do you like playing board games?
Yes, I play with family.
What do you do?
I work as a teacher.
How old are you?
I'm 32 years old.
Are you married?
Yes, I am.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have one children.
What time is it?
It's 3 p.m.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy it.
What's your hobby?
I enjoy reading books.
Where is the nearest bus stop?
It's just around the corner.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm starving.
What's your favorite food?
I love burger.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go to the gym.
Can you speak another language?
Yes, I speak a little Spanish.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Are you tired?
Yes, I need some rest.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink it every morning.
Can you drive?
Yes, I have a driver's license.
What did you do last weekend?
I went hiking with friends.
Do you like music?
Yes, I enjoy pop music.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
What's your favorite season?
I love spring.
How do you spend your free time?
I usually watch movies.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.